So hi everyone, in this video we will going to see that how to get system data, okay, in the Oracle database. So you can see on the screen that in the SQL developer have typed a query, okay, to get a date. So you can see here we are using select query, okay, and here we are using a function to change the date format into character, right? So for changing the date format into character we are using to underscore character, okay. This is a function which will change the system date format into character, okay, and you can see that we want the format in this way, okay, date, month, okay, and year. And here you can see this is the timestamp, okay, hour, minute and second, and here we can see the abbreviation of the time zone, right? So it will be am and pm respectively, and we are running this query from the dual table, right? So dual table is a default table in the Oracle database which can be used for getting any type of customer output from the database, okay. So you can see here. So if I show you without this, it will be come in this format, right? So let me change this date, right? Okay, now you can see today is 30 Jan 2024, and you can see the time is currently 11:45 a.m., right? So this is a sorry, this is a current timing, okay. So if you want to change, right, so let me show you. We will change it, get time 2 hours back, right? So if you want to get the time 2 hours back, what we will do, we will just change this to this, right? 24, that means 24 hours in a day, right? And we want 2 hours back, right? So you can see here. So when we execute it, it will come in this format, right? So if you minus 2 hours from 11:46, it will be come up, right? Like 9:46 a.m., right? And if you want to get 2 minutes back, let me share 2 minutes back, right? So we will have to modify it accordingly. So it will be come up in 2 minute backs, right? So now we can see this is 2 minutes back time, right? You can see, right? Currently it is 46 minutes, and we are getting it in 2 minutes back, okay. For because in a day 24 hours, in 1 hour we are having 60 minutes, okay. So in this way we can get it. What if you want to get the time for the 20 minutes? You can also get it from here, right? So currently you can see here 47 11 47, okay. 47 minutes are current timing, right? And when we minus 20 from this, we will get 27 minutes, right? So this way guys we can get it. So what if want to get the time for second, right? So we will again multiply this 24 by 1 more 60, so it will become seconds, okay. So we will get the time in the seconds, right? Yeah, you can see here 60 seconds, okay. So this way guys 2 seconds, let me show you. Let me type it 220 seconds back, right? So this is for the seconds, right? Okay, so for minutes, right, we need to do like this, okay. Minute and then 24 multiplied by 60, right? This will be for minute. And for seconds, I don't think so this will be useful, but get it for that. Seconds, 24 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60, okay. So it will come up in second. And for hours, okay, we need to do it hours, just say 24, okay. So this will be in this format, right? So in this way we can get the timing, okay. You can again do the addition also. If you want to do the addition, you can do the addition as well. What is time after 2 hours, okay. So it will be come up like 1:49 p.m., right? So you can see here currently it is am, okay, am. And when we add 2 hours in that, in this, we are getting the time in pm, okay. So this way it will be changed accordingly, okay. So this is useful for that. What if 2 minutes ahead, what will be the time? Let's see, it will be 51, right? If we add 2 minutes in this 49, it will be 51. If we add 20 minutes, it will come as 12 p.m. Okay, 12 9 51, right? So in this way guys, we can get the time for this in Oracle database. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.